I've seen there is this competition between generation, the senior citizen and Gen Z. It looks like they are after our sweet life, you know?
They can be a stalker, they can be a serial killer, they can be anything, but you don't know.
You know, there is that misunderstanding between you and that person. So we need that person to push us. Yo, you can do this, wabikora. You know, it doesn't need specific people to do this.
I believe that every voice deserves to be heard.
Be yourself, enjoy life. You're not going to live twice in this life. There's no coming back, because we are not Asian that we say we will come back where I'm like Priyanka Chopra or something.